Hello, pretty boy. Pretty bird. Chewing my nails. Hey, hi. What's your name? What's your name? Hello. No fighting. No fighting. Hi. You barking. Goodbye. Oh, now you want attention.
That's gonna be good.
Strawberry.
That's good.
You're the one talking all that much. You say hello. Hey, little boy. Hope I don't get bit. Can you talk? Can you talk? Can you speak? Hey. You talk so much. Hey. Oh, look at you. You're pretty bird. Can you say what you're doing? Can you talk? Can you say what you're doing? Say that again. That was cute. What you doing? Oh, what you doing? I'm just hanging out looking at you. You're not gonna bite me, are you? You're not gonna bite me? What you doing? What you doing? I'm looking at you, pretty boy. Hello. Hello. Hey, that's not nice. What are you doing? You're gonna bite his beak off. You can eat without biting, right? Make sure I don't miss that. Oh, very gentle. Very gentle bird. Oh. I got like 7 of you with that bird. Birdie. Just
video. Like,
Hey, little birdie. Alright.
oh, that says do not touch your feet.
You looking at me? What are you doing? Aw, pretty bird. Say hello.